In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to blur the background of an image with Snapseed. The process is really simple and straightforward, so let's get right into it. So first thing first, we want to click on the plus icon right in the middle in order to choose a photo. I'm going to continue with this photo, and once you choose your photo, you want to go to the tools options option located at the bottom, and you got to scroll down until you find the lens blur. It's located right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your two fingers in order to adjust the a circle, and you're gonna see a blue dot right in the middle. When you hold it and move it around, as you guys can see, it is the focus of the photo. So if you want to focus the character, you want to just leave it right on the character, so it's gonna be the focus of the image. So after you're done with it, you want to hold your finger on the screen and move it to the right or left. This will increase or decrease the blur strength. When you move your finger to the right, it's going to increase it. When you move it to the left, it's going to decrease it. So now you got to find the sweet spot here. I think about 22 is great for this photo. And once you're done, you want to again hold your finger on the screen, and you gotta swipe your finger to the up. So once you swipe to the up, this menu will pop up, but do not leave your finger off the screen. So now I'm still holding my finger. When I leave my finger, as you guys can see, it disappears. So you shouldn't leave your finger off the screen. So I just do this again, and once you're holding your finger on the screen, you're just gonna scroll down a little bit until the transition option is selected. You want to choose that. What it does is this basically allows you to do minor changes like adjusting the second outer circle to make your photo look better. So this is how you do it, guys. This is how you blur the background of an image with Snapseed. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.